Hey guys, so we haven't really said a whole lot about it, but this 2021 is going to be getting this CR500 motor, and the bike's actually also going to be a big wheel, so pretty pumped about that. It's just something completely different for us. We've been doing a lot of 500 builds lately, so it was time to, I guess, have our own and design a kit around it. Now, the next exciting part of this build is we actually designed an engine cradle setup that's going to more or less allow you to drop this motor into this chassis with little to no welding. Actually, no welding at all. So this cradle is going to bolt just like this, and it's going to correct the motor mounts to the CR500 position. So basically, drop in, absolutely no welding. You can buy one of these bikes, take the 450 motor out, swap a 500 in, and go back and forth without modifying your chassis. We are going to be doing a full kit with head stay, engine cradle. We're going to do a block off plate on the fuel tank to convert this over to a gravity fed fuel tank, and we're going to be doing a custom intake for it too. So there's going to be a handful of pieces that are going to go into this build with our kit, so stay tuned on details for that. But for now, we're more or less in the mock-up stage, and we're going to start out with this bike and go from there. Actually, you can drop it down and we'll put the front axle in, and we'll put a jack stand under it. If you want to go grab a jack stand, should be one right under that table. Put some tape on the thing, protect those case covers. It is a tight fit. We're going to start with the back of the motor and try sliding it in, then walking the head over. Let's see what happens. All right. Walk it over, yep. There you go. Yeah, it's no big deal. That was easy. So as you saw, it went in pretty easy. It is a really tight fit up here, but like I said, the whole goal of this is just being bolt in without cutting anything. Also wanted to still be able to get the head off and all that. It's more or less, you're gonna unbolt this and swing it up if you want to slide the cylinder head off. So we're gonna start by getting the cradle inserted here on this side, and then we're gonna do the other side and see what happens.
Listen to them nose in your ears.
Oh yeah, they're always in my head. Sorry for the background noise, guys. This shop is loud, and I am doing this one-handed, so it's either gonna make it look easy or hard. So it's just gonna slide up like that. Yep, cool. Sorry for the movement of the camera. Okay, let me rest it for a sec. All right, so he picked up gently, and we have that bolt just rested in there for now. Cool. So we're gonna grab some bolts and we're gonna get the front started. You can see the clearance we have on the head. It's tight, but man, it fits really good. Now I recommend using Loctite, but for now we're just gonna get everything together, check fitment. Now guys, it was not easy to draw these up in the computer. You see how everything lines up. So this part right here would be an awesome 5-axis part, but we did it on the 3-axis mill and made it work with a couple fixtures. Yeah, pretty sweet. All right, so now you get that. So now, after your sunglasses fall, just pull that back up, go down a little bit, go down, down, down. Tara, just gonna slide that in where it goes, go up a little bit. Okay. It's gonna go part way. So follow me here. Basically, this cradle gets bolted here to the OEM motor mount, and it relocates the motor mount to here. And then we're gonna actually bolt the cradle to the frame down here, and then it's also gonna relocate to the other motor mount. All right, so one-handed install again. Just pull on your skid plate. You're just gonna slip this in ever so gently. And you're just gonna walk it around the motor. And there it is, just like that. So we're gonna get the 2 bolts in up here again, and we're gonna push that motor mount bolt all the way through. A lot of thought went into how we design these, just to make everything fit and clear. We do have a mount for the exhaust hanger for the 2-stroke right here, so we'll be trimming this skid plate up just to get the exhaust hanger off the side. So he's gonna go ahead and slide the bolt through on the other side. Should come through this hole here. Just spin it through. There you go. Cool.
We good?
Yeah. Yep, everything lines up, man. All right, so try doing the pivot bolt now, I guess, for now. Okay. Pivot bolt's in.